Hi, and welcome to Blue Orange Techies. Today, we're diving into the world of Salesforce to understand one of its foundational concepts, the data model. Whether you're a Salesforce rookie or a seasoned pro looking to brush up on the basics, you're in the right place. So, let's get started. In the simplest terms, a data model in Salesforce is like the blueprint of a building. It outlines how data is stored, organized, and interconnected within Salesforce. Why is this important? Well, imagine you're constructing a massive Lego castle. Without a plan, you'll just have a random pile of Lego bricks. A data model gives you the structure, showing you which pieces go where, ensuring that your Salesforce castle is sturdy, efficient, and, most importantly, usable. Let's bring this to life with a real-time example. Consider a business, let's call it Techie Gadgets. They sell a variety of electronic devices and need to keep track of customers, orders, and products. In Salesforce, their data model would consist of accounts representing the customers, contacts, the people associated with these accounts, opportunities, potential sales or deals, products, what they're selling, cases, customer service interactions. And the relationships between these objects show how a contact is linked to an account and how an opportunity is related to that contact. Now, how do we create a data model in Salesforce? It's a blend of strategy and execution. Here are the steps. Identify objects. Think about what kinds of records you need. For Techie Gadgets, these would be accounts, contacts, and so on. Define fields. Determine what pieces of information you need for each record. For an account, this might include the account name, phone number, and address. Establish relationships. Decide how these records relate to each other. Does each contact have an account? Can an account have multiple opportunities? Customize. Salesforce allows you to customize standard objects and fields or create new ones to fit your business like a glove. Build. Use Salesforce's setup menu to add your objects, fields, and relationships, shaping your data model into reality. Test and iterate. Check if your model holds up in real-world scenarios and adjust as needed. And there you have it. A well-constructed data model is the secret to making your Salesforce experience powerful and productive. Remember, it's all about clarity and connection, knowing your data and understanding how it all fits together. Stay tuned for more insights and tutorials. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. For now, this is Naveen signing off. Until next time, keep building.